At University of Bridgeport, our Master's in Clinical Mental Health Counseling is designed for people who feel called to support the mental health of individuals in their communities. Our 60-credit, trauma-informed curriculum can be completed in as few as 2 years of full-time study or about 3 years part-time, so you can move toward your career goals on a timeline that works for you. At UB, you can complete your MS in counseling fully online or on campus, so you can choose the learning experience that works best for your life and schedule. Our flexible online format includes live, synchronous classes and asynchronous coursework, allowing you to stay connected in real time or pursue independent study.
This is a 60-credit-hour program, which is CACREP accredited. We focus in on dialectic behavioral therapy, motivational interviewing, and the circle of security. We provide our students with information regarding evidence-based practices to treat a wide variety of dynamic and multicultural individuals. This program is good specifically for people who want to provide mental health treatment and mental health support. When we conceptualize mental health, the field is so broad. There are so many different opportunities for people to work, and there's different populations that people can work with. Usually, the students who apply to our program will usually have a bachelor's in psychology, human services, or a related subject. And if it's not related to psychology, they need at least 9 credit hours in something psychology related. With that said, when you're actually doing evidence-based counseling, there's a lot of clinical stuff, and you'll have to work with a lot of people who could potentially be violent or things that can be difficult. So we just want our students to have some experience before they get in, so every penny that they invest is in their future and is exactly what they want to do. Counseling isn't just talking. It actually is a science that is evidence-based, and we have behavioral outcomes that we observe. When the student becomes a counselor, they learn a focus of otherness. The students learn to be focused on supporting the individual across from them. So they also learn specific techniques to be able to meet the individual where they're at, and that comes through a perspective of cultural humility.
You will learn in small classes with faculty who are experienced counseling professionals. You'll receive meaningful feedback, mentoring, and support to help you grow as a counselor. Our program is CACREP accredited, which means it meets rigorous national standards for counselor preparation and is recognized by employers and licensing boards.
There is a ton of money to be made in this field. It's just about identifying a specific population that you focus on and becoming very good within that. So some of our students may focus in on providing treatment to children, support to aging populations, because these are like individuals who have various needs but are often forgotten about. It's a huge demographic in the United States, so there's opportunities for our students to make a lot of money. For our clinical mental health counseling program, students are expected to do 1 semester of a practicum, which consists of 100 hours of work at a site in the community. When they're doing the practicum, out of that 100 hours, 40 hours need to be direct service hours where they're providing treatment. After that 1 semester practicum, students will then have 2 semesters of internship. And during each semester, they will have to do 300 hours of work. 140 hours of that work will need to be direct face-to-face treatment to clients. And that could be in group therapy, individual therapy, family therapy.
Through a 100-hour practicum and 2 300-hour internships, you will apply what you learn with real clients while working toward licensure as a professional counselor or LPC in your state.
And we do that for 2 semesters. When our students are doing this, they're actually providing treatment to various members of the community and people living with different mental health problems. In addition to that, our students are providing treatment to marginalized populations, people who would otherwise be cut off from services, and our students have the ability to apply what they're learning in our program to real life situations and to help people obtain their goals. It's wonderful to see, and it's great to see our students helping people, and it's awesome to see people get better.
If you're ready to turn your compassion into a meaningful counseling career, the Clinical Mental Health Counseling Program at University of Bridgeport can help you take the next step. Visit bridgeport.edu/counseling to learn more or apply today.